welcome to my channel with you, me, Kristina, and I complete to make tutorial, and today I want to show you and tell about this. You will be able to find this tutorial on my website, and I prepare one gift for you, but about gift a little bit later. So tutorial, this tutorial I gave name Tenderness, and I put here in the corner photo. When I made a photo of this girl and boy, they seems like it seems like they so much love each other, and just like looking like with so much love, and just I was looking and find this name for my tutorial, Tenderness. Okay guys, in this tutorial we will knit with you overalls, this sleeve short, and just one moment, I will take off and just look on this body. Just how it's beautiful. Of course you have different yarns in your country, but you can see size of yarn. For example, this mink yarn, I think 350 meters in 50 grams. So I was written everything. So this one, overalls, and this coat. For this I used two yarns. This in our country we say forza. I don't know, maybe it is Turkish yarn, but I don't know exactly. So this is for knitting socks people use, and this boucle, but you can use different, of course. Boy also has a coat, but it is little bit different. These clothes you can use for fabric body and for articulated. Oh, I can't wear, guys. When fabric body, it is just right, and it is quickly we can wear, and this you see legs go out, down, up. So I have bought some new bodies, and with that bodies I don't have problems like that. Okay, for girl we will make this head. I don't know name in English. Do you have heads like that? Sorry guys. We say for this head шапка ушанка. And in English, no, I called winter hat. Sorry, I don't know if you know any like how we call it, how we tell it in English. Please write in comments. It will be very useful for me. I also study some words. Some easy to find, like for example I made some shoes, and I made like slippers, but I found that in English it will be flip-flops, I think, flip-flops, like slippers. Okay, and for boy, upper side of coat we knit same, and lower part little bit different. So this t-shirt, and so much interesting pants with pockets like that. I think it's beautiful, and also hat. So in this tutorial will be 5 like master classes. So overalls, blues, pants, coat for boy and for girl, and hat. Okay, this price I think will be, I think in March I make little bit sale. It will be $15, 15, and after March, I think it will be $20. But so many descriptions, guys. And you know, sometimes no, I also bought a lot of tutorials and knitting and sewing, and also if knitting not just clothes, I bought a lot of tutorials about some toys like that. And some tutorials I liked, some not. Some was easy to understand for me, some not. Some tutorials, for example, understand, but don't like description. How person or his vision, or how we say his mind, like that. So my YouTube channel, this in English, it's new, and of course you don't know my tutorials. I can put here, I have in computer some reviews which I was able to save before my Etsy shop was closed, and maybe I will put, maybe not, I don't know, guys, really. So I think if you like knitting, so I should give a chance that you try my tutorial without paying any money, and you just can buy, or you just can how we say, so I made price 0 on my website. There I put the link under the video. You can come on my website. I will write free tutorial. So there are sweater and hat. So, and you can try to knit, you can try to read my description, do you like it or not. And if everything will be normal, if you like my description, then you of course you can come and then spend your money for this tutorial. And about sewing tutorial, I also was thinking, and sewing tutorials I have a lot of for different dolls, and I also decide to make sewing tutorial free. And I also was thinking too much that maybe no, in YouTube more comfortable, I think, to see video tutorial, yes. And maybe I will make video tutorial, and under that I will make PDF and also put link, also free, zero money, and you will see how I teach when I am talking, and how I describe on paper, and when we are writing we can correct something when make mistake, and when I'm talking I'm not sure that I'm correct everywhere, guys. uh, but you know, for some people too much like strict, they think that, oh, she's talking with mistakes, grammar not correct, words not correct, but mostly people so much kind, so much kind. Um, of course, you understand that I don't have too much words. My pronunciation may be not correct, and of course I make mistakes. But um, I think when people see that somebody is trying to talk, to study their language, it's so much good. Um, so that's why I decide to make it. So I will make sewing tutorial tomorrow. Tomorrow I start to make. So it will be video and PDF also. You will come in my website. You will take it, and also you will read and how I put photos, because I put a lot of photos. Um, a lot of people wrote me that they were so much surprised that everything was written, all moments. So I usually tell all secrets in my tutorials, my master classes. Um, so I think if God gave me talent, and I not just should, I must share it to another people. Um, of course, I hope you will understand me that we need earn money. Nowadays, life is not so much easy, and yes, I have another work. I work in institute with students. I teach them, but their salary is not too much, and I'm divorced. Well, it was my decision like that, and I have 3 children. My daughter, eldest daughter, 25 years old, another daughter, 22, and my son, 14 years old. If you are interested in it, you can write in comments. I can show you building my room where I'm working. If you are interested, of course, I can tell you something about my life. I know that some bloggers, they tell about just dolls, for example, some about their private life, but sometimes, usually they don't mix these things. In Russian channel, I told about me some stories, and discussed about Etsy, for example, and that people so much liked it. And not everybody just watch in Russian language and from Russia or from any countries. uh, from France and Germany, and when I told that bad story when my Etsy shops was closed, I had 3 shops, and I was so much sad. And some people wrote me in English that we are so much sorry that Etsy made these things with you. Uh, I don't know why it happened. I had Pioneer account, Pioneer, but Etsy manager told me that my country not in how we say, so Etsy doesn't work with my country like that. I can describe also, guys. Sorry, I'm not in Russia. I live in Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan. I don't know, do you know or not? But not in Russia. Of course, Russian shops was closed many years ago. Mm, but my shop was closed just on 5th August 2025. Um, they closed PayPal payment, and just available was e-payments, and we could pay e-payments due to Pioneer account. They told, yes, yes, we know that you have account, but not your country. So Kazakhstan near me, we can drive there about mm, 2 hours about. In Kazakhstan possible to open, in my country not. My country is so much small. I don't know, guys, where I am living. So much bad things, like small village, or I don't know, or like in the moon. I was so much sad. I have a lot of friends there, not just buyers or like that. Friends, guys, friends who so much liked my all things what I made, my clothes, boots, tutorials. It was so good time for me, you know. Of course, God gave talent, but we want to see from people, that people tell you or write to you that, oh, it's so much beautiful, thank you, I just received and I just opened your things, and I was looking how you make every pockets or something else, all details, and people write, and your heart start to be bigger and bigger, and you want to make more and more interesting, beautiful things. It's so much good, guys. Okay, I was started from tutorial, and now I am in Etsy. I don't know why it happened. So okay, guys, so uh, under this video there will be two links. One link for free tutorial where you can find knitting of sweater and hat, and another tutorial this if you want to buy it. um, I hope you will like it, and I will be so much happy if you will like under this video or in any videos which will be later, that if you will check my tutorial, please write your opinion. If you don't like something, you also write, please, because I will improve my knowledges, I will improve my skills. So for example, you will tell that these moments we couldn't understand, then I will try to improve it, to make better, solve this problem, and make new tutorial without mistakes, without some difficult things, moments like that. So please write some your opinions, not just good. If no, as I told, if something wrong or mistakes, you also can write. Uh, but I never received this message, never. And I pray to God that I never will get, never. So and every time I check mistakes with some girls, with my mom, you know that sometimes you type and you want to type 6 and you put 5, for example. So every time we check, then I translate, and I think before I never had some mistakes or anything. Everybody was understanding. If some questions I answered by message, and everything was good. Okay, guys, I was talking 18 minutes, almost 12, 20, so much. So I hope you will like my tutorial Tenderness. They are so much beautiful, so much sweet. So if you would like, please come on my website. I hope you will like it, and I hope you will like my tutorial. Okay, thank you so much and bye.